Forgot to defrost the chicken again? No worries, I've got you covered. Hi, I'm Laura, and today I'm showing you how to cook a juicy, perfectly seasoned chicken breast straight from frozen in the air fryer. This method is so easy, you'll never have to stress about dinner again. Plus a few simple tricks that make it possible and foolproof to have seasoned chicken breasts that are cooked all the way through. First things first, preheat your air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. If your air fryer has a preheat mode, that's even better. Now, while that's warming up, let's mix our seasonings. You can season your chicken with anything you want, but here I'm gonna mix some olive oil with garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and for a little more flavor and give these chicken breasts some beautiful color, I'm going to add a little bit of paprika too. This is a simple and flavorful mix, but feel free to get creative with your favorite spices. Now the air fryer is hot and ready. You're gonna place your frozen chicken breast directly onto the preheated tray. No need to thaw. Seriously, the air fryer's got this. Now you're gonna air fry them as is at 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes to start. Here's where all the magic happens. After 15 minutes, I'm gonna flip the chicken over and brush it with that olive oil and seasoning mixture onto both sides. Not only does this add amazing flavor, but it also locks in the moisture for juicy results. And now you're gonna keep cooking it for another 10 to 15 minutes. The cooking time is going to depend on the thickness of your chicken. Thinner pieces are gonna finish first, which is why I always check the internal temperature at the thickest part with a meat thermometer, which needs to be about 165 Fahrenheit. Without it, you're looking for white meat that's cooked through and juices that run clear when you slice it. Now, if you don't have one of these yet, I'll link one in the description. It's an inexpensive game changer when it comes to cooking chicken. And you know what takes this chicken over the top? Here's a bonus tip. The lemon. As soon as the chicken is done, you're gonna squeeze half a lemon over the hot breast right in the air fryer. This little touch brightens up the flavors and makes the chicken taste like it was cooked fresh. Serve your chicken with a wedge of lemon and your favorite sides, and you've got an easy, stress-free dinner. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite air fryer recipe? Your support means the world to me, and it helps me keep making videos just like this one. By the way, check out this next video for more ways to cook frozen chicken to perfection. See you next time.